Hi, Amani. Have you got surprises today?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I got 1, 2, 3.
You got 2 surprises.
No, I got
Wow.
3 surprises.
Wow. Shall we open it?
Yeah.
After 3?
Let's open this one. 3, 2, 1.
Open it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, what is it? It looks like it's a sparkle doll set. Check it out, guys. That is a huge doll, Amani. Look at that beautiful dress. Sparkle Girls Winter Fairy set. Wow, do you like it?
Yeah.
What's on the back? Ooh. With extra ballerina dress. So you got an extra dress. And it's a Funville Sparkle Girls set. Check it out. Okay, we'll open that in a bit. Let's open the next box. See what's inside.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, what is it, Amani?
I think it might be a pony.
Wow, it's a cute pony by Sparkle. Sparkle Girls Pony. It's a styling set. Ooh, it says 40 pieces there. Wow. Look at all them hair accessories. Check it out, guys. It's a huge pony. Let's have a look on the back.
Look, they got butterflies.
Butterflies. Where's the butterflies?
There.
Oh, wow.
Got it.
Okay.
First, let's open this one. These are my favorite.
Is that your favorite, the doll?
Yeah.
Wow, open it, Amani. Pull that. Pull the packaging. Yeah, wow, check it out. Woohoo. What colour dress is she wearing?
She's wearing a blue and white.
She's wearing a blue and white dress. And look, they're giving a spare one, a pink one.
Yeah, that's a ballerina.
Okay, let's go on ahead and
Open it.
untie it. Look, do you want to take it out of the box?
Yeah.
Whoa, Amani, I think she's bigger than you.
Let's change her clothes.
You want some help, Amani?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, she's got a lovely pink and purple dress. With
What colour dress has she got on now, though? Is it a blue one?
Oh, look, she's got
check
some
it out.
snowflakes.
It's teal.
Give a kiss. Okay, are you going to change the dress?
Let's change the dress. I'll help you, Amani.
This is stuck.
I think you just pull the dress off
Hello,
like that.
Anaya.
Look, it's got.
Yeah, Amani, look. She's got her pink dress on.
Yay! Let's put her matching shoes on.
Put her
Amani.
pink shoes. Where are her pink shoes?
Here.
Oh, wow.
So all
check
we
them
do
out.
is
Look, they make a noise.
these are like ballerina shoes.
No, these are ballerina shoes. These pink
They're
ones.
both ballerina shoes.
No, that's a fairy shoe.
Hey, hello, baby Anaya. Does she want to play?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Are you playing with the big
She's
sister?
like a little slide. You can slide up here.
Oh, I think she wants to play with your pony, Amani.
No.
Do you want to
it's
unbox this pony? Look.
Yeah. The shoes on.
Are you putting the shoes on the fairy?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
I've got
wow.
a ballerina shoe. I've got
Wow.
these, the fairy shoes. In the woods.
Oh, where's baby?
I changed the shoe. Look.
Have you changed her shoes and her dress?
Yeah.
Wow, she's a pink
She's
ballerina.
going to slip. She can't stand up.
Do you want to make her dance, Amani?
Now let's unbox the pony. They got a tag again. Let me take it off.
Come on, Amani, take the pony out of the box.
Let's take the pony.
Yay! Check it out. What color is the pony?
Pink and blue.
Wow, it's like teal, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can brush your hair. Look, what else have you got? What accessories? Is that a hairbrush?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's just something to push in.
That is cool, Amani. What else have you got?
Amani, I think you've got some hair bands and some hair clips.
Wow, check it out. Lots
You
of
can
different
even
colours.
plait the hair.
Let's cut the hair.
Hello, pony. I think Anaya wants to play with your pony.
She
Oh,
can't
hello.
play with it.
Oh, she likes it. Oh, Anaya, my name is Little Pony. Hello. Cuckoo,
I took
cuckoo.
it out.
Hello. Oh, she likes it. Look, she's smiling.
Let me brush
Hello.
Anaya's hair with it.
Slowly. Okay, brush the pony's hair.
Anaya, can I brush the pony's hair, please?
Wow.
No. Look, I've got these. I opened them. They're gonna fall in her mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Look at the pink hair, Mani.
50, 60, 70,
Sparkly
80,
pink.
90, 20, 21.
Oh, hello, Anaya. I think she's playing with your fairy doll. Hello,
Oh, look,
fairy.
it's got sparkle hair. Shines.
I think Anaya wants to change the doll's dress. Anaya, girl. Hello.
Hello, Anaya. You can pull the dress off her.
Hey.
Pull the dress off, Anaya.
Oh, no, Anaya's eating the doll's hand. Hey.
Oh no, Anaya. Hey, what are you doing?
Look,
She has
there's a
to
little
sit
shoe.
up.
Look, blue shoe. Who do you think is bigger, Mani?
The doll.
The doll's taller, but then if Anaya stands up, she's taller than the doll.
Let's see.
Yay! Hello!
She tried to kick me in the face, Anaya. Where's the hairbrush? Look, you can do these.